International Day of Older Persons, 1st October. The International Day of Older Persons is observed on October 1st each year. The celebration of International Day of Older Persons is done to create awareness and empathy regarding the well-being of elderly. Elderly care emphasizes the social and personal requirements of senior citizens who need some assistance with daily activities and health care but who desire to age with dignity. This year 2020 marks the 30th anniversary of International Day of Older Persons. This year has also seen an emergence of COVID-19 that has caused an upheaval across the world, considering the high risk confronted by older persons during the outbreak of pandemics such as COVID-19. Policy and programmatic interventions must be targeted towards the rising awareness of their special needs. Recognizing older persons' contributions to their own health and the multiple roles they play in the preparedness and response phases of current and future pandemics is also important. This year has also been recognized as the Year of Nurse and Midwife. International Day of Older Persons 2020 will highlight the role of healthcare workforce in contributing to health of older persons, with special recognition of the nursing profession. The theme of the 2020 commemoration is Pandemics, Do They Change How We Address Age and Aging? The 2020 theme aims to inform participants about the strategic objectives for the decade of healthy aging, raise awareness of the special health needs of older persons and of their contributions to their own health and to the functioning of the societies in which they live, increase awareness and appreciation of the role of the healthcare workforce in maintaining and improving with the health of older persons with special attention to the nursing profession. Present proposal for reducing the health disparities between older persons in the developed and developing countries so as to leave no one behind. Increase understanding of the impact of COVID-19 on older persons and its impact on healthcare policy, planning and attitudes. A longer life brings with the opportunities not only for older people and their families but also for societies as a whole. A healthy lifestyle for older adults include healthy eating. As you age, your dietary needs may change. You may need fewer calories, but you still need to get enough nutrients. A healthy eating plan includes eating foods that you give lots of nutrients without a lot of extra calories. This includes fruits and vegetables, whole grains, lean meats, low-fat dairy, nuts and seeds. Avoiding empty calories such as foods like chips, candy, baked goods, soda and alcohol, eating foods that are low in cholesterol and fat, drinking enough liquids so you don't get dehydrated. Regular physical activity. Being physically active may help you maintaining a healthy weight and avoid chronic health problems. If you have not been active, you can start slowly and work up to your goal. Staying at a healthy weight. Being either overweight or underweight can lead to health problems. Ask your healthcare professional what a healthy weight for you may be. Keep your mind active. Lots of activities can keep your mind active and improve your memory, including learning new skills, reading and playing games. Making your mental health a priority. Work on improving your mental health, for example by practicing meditation, relaxation techniques or gratitude. Know the warning signs of a problem and ask for help if you are struggling. Playing an active role in your health care. Make sure that get regular checkup and the health screenings that you need. You should know which medicines you are taking. Not smoking. If you are a smoker, quitting is one of the most important things that you can do for your health. It can lower your risk for several different types of cancer, certain lung diseases and heart diseases. Taking steps to prevent falls. Older adults have a higher risk of falling. They are also more likely to fracture a bone when they fall. Getting regular eye checkups, getting regular physical activity, and making your house safer can lower your risk of falling. Following these tips can help you to stay healthy as you age. Even if you have never done them before, it's never too late to start taking care of your health. If you have questions about these lifestyle changes or need help figuring out how to make them, ask your healthcare provider. This old age day, we can build a healthy aging community. Thank you.